Can you see yourself in the 2023 Dodge Durango? The Dodge Durango, the powerful, full-size, three-row SUV that blends rugged capability with refined, state-of-the-art comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, keyless start, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, heated rear seat, premium sound system. Why skimp on capability? Get the SUV that's up to the task, the Durango.